Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the Pine Tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, Apex on a deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Sidebar break, execute it. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine Tree Trader, yeah, we built on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah, we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
shit. Fuck. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Boy, I was just such good stuff I was telling you guys. Welcome. It is officially the start of the work week, and we're already muted. And Miss K just messaged me in Discord, said the mic is off. Thank you so much. Yeah, all right. Well, hey, what's up, everyone? I was showcasing how fast Take Profit Trader is with the withdrawals. So you can see it happening in real time right there. Friday, I did not make a whole lot of money, but it was across 5 accounts. So after profit split, it was right around 50 bucks a piece times 5. That's still a nice little daily payout in my books, so 250 bucks. So what I was explaining is that it's instant. So if you saw right there, once I did with the withdrawal, and Take Profit Trader now is instant withdrawal. So it goes right into your account, right into the wallet. Bingo bango. No questions, no bubbles, no troubles, right in there. And so I'm able to trade the accounts instantly. So I didn't take them Friday because I kind of forgot, right? And then, and normally that would be a mistake because I would usually have to wait hours to get the withdrawal, but now it's instantly. So anyways, let's say hi to people that I've already said hi to. What's up, Mahmood in the house? Real Robot, Mine the Dave, Liberetto, Miss K, STFU, which I know what that means. What's going on? Aeromech Trader in the house. Debt Wolf, what's going on? Tony Lanes, Cajun in the house. True Hand, Smoke, what's up? Nate, yes. Thank goodness the weekend is over. I agree. What's up, Nate? Sonic Rules. Like before you type. Yep, I'm muted. What's up, Design? Muted. So stupid. Find his band, yes. What is up? What's up? Michelle, what's up? Hey, what's up? What's going on? Trading Games, Corey 2S, Son of Wall Street, Maritime Trader in the house, Disciplined Futures Trader. Let's have a blessed trading week and let's get those greens. I agree. The TPT commercial says you can now take multiple payouts per day. What? Really? For real? I didn't even know this. Am I missing something here? That's amazing. Britt Martin in the house. Madi, what's up? Yeah, I did not know that visible ID. I don't know if that's, I don't know. That's crazy. Let me tweet out the stream here. How was everyone's weekend? I hope you guys had a good weekend. Guys, exclamation point Pine in the chat. We will do a Lucid giveaway today. 50K Pro account. Let's go. Thank you for using code Pine. Hey, what's up, Sinister Scalper? Lay, what's up? Gotta love the Lucid accounts. Yeah, everyone loves Lucid. Everyone loves the Lucid. I'm gonna be trading a little Lucid as well. See if we can catch a little something. A little something, something. Wow, I just noticed something on the DOM. Trade-Evade little update. Down here. Have the brackets here. Oh, they're making it nice. You can change them and mod them really easy. That's kind of cool. You can delete them, mod them, change them. That's neat. Okay, so what do you guys think? Pump up or pump down? Or gap up, gap down? What are we guessing here? What do you guys think? Gapping up or down? Yeah, that's right. Updated those brackets. Yeah, the brackets are all updated. I'm not... Looks pretty cool. Can we copy trade with the brackets yet? That would be awesome. So I need to try to get $150 locked in. We'll see. Gap down Canadian tariffs. Yeah, I heard about that. Type this in a TBT bot, but can I take multiple payouts in one day? Count. Anyone wants to try it first? Oh, that's interesting, visible ID. But I would think that the all right, here's goes market here. Gap up. A little gap up on NQ. Trying a little short here. Little daily payout accounts. Let's go. Locked in a Lucid payout on that. Boom. And then there it goes. Whew. Boy, that's a little, yeah, that's nice. That's going to be a $1,400 Lucid payout. Let's go. Took the daily payout accounts just to kind of get the feet wet. But caught that little short there down into that open gap. You guys see me do this just about every single night there where there's a little open gap. $151.50 on this one Lucid Flex. That should put me into payout land for $1,400. So 50%, right around 50% of this account. So we'll take that. Let's go. Caught the fade again, yeah. Let's go. So yeah, so anyways, let me get back to that take profit trader thought. Now, what needs to happen is in order to take multiple payouts throughout the day, you would have to have the dashboard update. So So like, let's just say, theoretically I made $15 across all these accounts. If I went to 767, you wouldn't be able to take the withdrawal because of you would need the dashboard to update. So maybe that is something coming in the future though. That would be pretty awesome. But yeah, I guess as long as you had the balance, you could take out the multiple payouts. So as long as it was already above the balance. Weird you didn't have a gap up. Did I? Maybe there wasn't on NQ. I was looking at MNQ. Maybe it didn't show it. I was watching MNQ. Maybe it didn't have it on NQ. I'm not sure. What's up, Brian in the house? Anyone want to try first and let us know? Yeah, it doesn't allow you because... I don't know, not right now. I can always close the account. Why do they have this button here? Can we get rid of this? Let me just close my funded account here. Just why not? You know, it's already over the buffer. Let me just close it. Like, what is this doing here? Like, why do they even have this? Like, get out of here with that. Let's go. What's up, Donna in the house? All right. Oh, Donna was talking about the histogram. I wanted to show that. You're asking about the histogram over the weekend. So yeah, this is these numbers on the right hand side, Donna, are the histogram. And so what I like to do is, like, if they're in the market open, let's just say it triggered a little long here to go further to higher up. So if I get it triggered in a long, these zero prints right here, what I call zero prints, these gaps on the histogram, this is something I would target. So the 366.25 up to 366.75, or even up to 368 in this little group where it kind of left these gaps. That's something that I would potentially target. So I would look for something like that. And that's all I do. These are orders that are already been filled. So this is not like the level 2 where it's pending orders. These are orders that are already been filled. But where all these orders got filled around it, I consider these like zero prints or gaps in the price. And so oftentimes it can give you a nice little target to get up there and take those out. So anyways, yeah. And yeah, you'll see me, like, if I happen to see a long here, I would hop in and I would target those. Try to scalp up into that. It just gives me a little target. It doesn't have to get filled, but like once it starts, if it started to push back up, say above this 40, maybe get above 50, then I would, you know, potentially look for those 66s or something to get taken out. Works pretty well. And I usually pay attention more so on the NQ than MNQ because that's what really matters, I guess. Hey, what's up? Jay Love's in the house. Can you withdraw during New York and Asia for the same day? Doesn't say same session. No, I don't think so. Oh, sorry. You're saying a statement. You can withdraw during New York and Asia for the same day. Doesn't say same session. Yeah. Well, hopefully we got a nice little move there. Hopefully it doesn't go dead now. I'm looking to see what I'm ordering from the restaurant. Sorry. What I want to order. So many options. All right, just kind of chopping around here, 29,320. If you guys are just tuning in, exclamation point Pine in the chat. Take a look at gold here. What's gold up to tonight? Little gap up on gold. So we got a little gap. That's interesting. So a little daily payout account. Up 15 bucks. It would be sweet if I could just lock in that, take that Lucid payout right now. And then I could trade this account. But I don't think they'll let me do that. That would have been a nice one to hold, but hey. I wouldn't have the balls to hold it. Not when the payout is looming. Yes, like before you type, guys. Thank you for using code PINE. Guys, just a reminder that for the My Funded Futures Club, that you can use your favorite affiliate code, preferably mine, and still get points for the My Funded Futures Club. That is a little bit of confusion, but you can still get points, so from what I've been told. So if you're doing the My Funded Futures Club thing and getting those discounts, whatever, that when you're buying accounts, you can use your favorite affiliate code and still rack up those points. What's up, Hard Hat Trading? I watched a short on MGC inside bars, 5 minutes. Is it still valued? Oh boy, I don't even remember, Donna. What the heck was my video on gold? Probably. You know, to be honest with you, I don't know, Donna. I don't even remember. I know pretty much all my concepts are very similar. But I do tend to go away from them occasionally. Like my favorite stuff to trade right now is like during the New York Open is like the Harami 2-minute candles, these purple ones, and then the 5-minute combo trades have always been really good, where you have an outside inside or an inside outside bar on the 5-minute. And see, that's gold. Apparently that worked pretty well too, but that on the NQ. So something like this, but generally when you have the first candle, the 5-minute candle is an outside engulfing candle usually anyway, so I tend not to put too much weight into it. Although it can work sometimes, but usually I like to wait for for the market to set up a little bit for the 5-minute. Boy, I love that trade. Let's lock this one out. Lock in that payout, guys. Don't want to screw it up. So let's lock that up. Let's get a little eval. So reinvest 1,400 right back in. We'll reinvest like in another account. I'm gonna go for another flex. I do love that flex account from Lucid. So let's do that. Boy, if you the 25K with the $600 daily loss limit flex account is only $50. I don't like the daily loss limit, but for someone that trades a little bit more conservatively, it's $50. That's such a good deal. I'm gonna pick up the no daily loss limit for 65. Sling that one around. I'm putting my code PINE here. Just kidding. Can't do that. Boom. This is my credit card screaming at me. Okay. Let's refresh that. Exclamation point PINE in the chat if you want to join the Lucid giveaway. 50K Lucid Pro. Got some Lucid accounts to give away, guys. That's what we're going to be doing this week. So stay tuned all week. What's up, OMH? Offrey? Jay Styles? Thank you, guys. All right, nice little move here, and then it's just kind of being lame. Now let's take a look at what we got for news this week. This is what we're really trying to do is get ready for what's really happening this week. I think NVIDIA earnings Wednesday, right? So Monday, not too much. Treasury Secretary speaks at 1 or 2 Eastern time. Tuesday, not much. Wednesday, GDP and PCE in the morning. Thursday, unemployment. It's orange folder though. Friday. Friday's interesting. Got the Jackson Hole, the Fed chairman speaks. Preliminary benchmark payrolls revision, whatever that is. That's what we got going on. And then, of course, earnings. EarningsHub.com. We have the big one. We have NVIDIA on Wednesday after market close. So that's the big one. We also have Intuit on aftermarket close on Tuesday. But really that's NVIDIA. Wednesday, market close. That's gonna be fireworks for sure. Members race tonight? No. Member race Thursdays. Do I have any interest in the nanos going live on Monday? I don't know if any of the props gonna have nanos. Do we know this? I don't even know. Am I gonna be really interested in it? Not so sure. Not so sure if I want to be interested in it. We'll see. It'll be interesting, though. I mean, I think there could be some advantages to it. I'm talking DCA traders. DCAing with a... Yeah, OMH, right. I mean, kind of DCAing with the nanos. I don't know. It'll be interesting. Want to use them on swing trades? IDCA? Yeah, I think that's going to be the advantage, I think. Boy, market has just died. Stick a fork in it. It just died already. I don't think the giveaway is working. It should be. Let me check. Might not be, though. Let me restart it. Thanks, Dean Bishop. I don't know. Try it again. Exclamation point pine in the chat. So CloudBot is not working. Nice. It was. And then it stopped. Huh. Well, let me just do this. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't look like Streamlabs is working. That's not good. How else do we do a giveaway? All right, let's pull an audible. How do we do that? Well, how else do I do a giveaway here? It's not quite working. Yeah, nothing's happening. Oop. Huh. We just close it right out. Let me see what happens there. Yeah, CloudBot had been working at the start of the stream, and now it just went on the fritz. Giveaway. Start giveaway. To the Google Sheets. Cancel giveaway, start giveaway. Yeah, it's not even showing up in the chat. What the heck? Everything's set. Oh, I just texted my meal at the wrong restaurant. I gotta fix this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, something wrong with chatbot. We're gonna have to figure something else out. I don't know. It's a disaster. I don't really know how to. I mean, I can use Google. I just don't know how to. I've never done it. Two giveaways for tomorrow? Yeah, I really want to do a giveaway tonight, though. What sucks is the only way I think I can actually do it is to shut it down. I don't want to do that. All right, market's getting a little bit of a push up here. I'm hopping long. A few micros. All right, I'm long. See if we get that push back up. Kind of broke this outside inside bar structure here. You could imitate Oprah and give something to everyone in your audience. I wish I could. Oh, that's good. That's a good idea, Keith. That's maybe we could do that. Problem with that, there could be multiple winners. There could be multiple winners. I don't have that many accounts. See if I can use Gemini. See if I can use Gemini to do something here. Looks like a bear flag? It sure does. It sure does. Yeah, maybe with the update of the brackets down here, the ATM orders, that they'll start to allow to be able to copy trade with the brackets. That would be amazing. Boy, I've been waiting for that for a long time. So, like, in this case, like if I'm trading my take profit trader accounts here, where I'm just, I have them all grouped together, then I'd just be able to use these brackets and then be able to have my stop losses, everything in place on the group. That would be so awesome. Hey, what's up, Digital Nukes in the house? Number game, everyone picks a single number, 1 2 ways. If they tie, they play off. Okay. That might be good. Yeah, we'll do that towards the end of the stream. ChatGPT is a good idea. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I know I can do it with the Google Forms and the sheets and stuff. I just never have done it. I know that's what some people do. I just trying to set that up and stream and trade, and I don't know. Seems like too much. I'm not very good at this. I'm very much a plug and play type of person. Everyone picked it number 1. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll pick a random number. We'll do the random number thing, and then what I'll do is, like, if people have the same number, then I'll have them race it off. We'll do a race, and hopefully we can get. Hopefully, Cloudbot wanted, or Streamlabs wanted an update before I started stream, but I was already kind of running late, so I didn't want to do the update, and might have been a mistake, but oh well. The funny thing is, it was working at the beginning of the stream. It was working just fine. We got a giant bear flag here currently, but we are just grinding higher at the moment. Just nasty price action once again. Nasty price action for the Globex. If you guys are just tuning in, I locked in a Lucid payout already. Right here, boom, $150. This will be $1,400, approximately $1,400. So 50% of this. Beautiful thing. Not a bad way to start the week. And every single flip day, let's look at this Lucid account real quick. Every flip day I did right here on stream, and it was all that. If you rewind the beginning of stream, it'll show you the trades. So every day for the last week, we flipped. Here it is. So you can see $2,200 on day one, and then 164, 156, 163, 151. So 5 days of $150 or more. And so every one of these trades right here we did on stream last week, and it was just the market open, the Globex open, and just to get $150. So if you rewind every market open for since last Wednesday, I believe it was all done right here. And simply all I was looking for is anytime there was any open gap. So it might not have been, well, anytime there was an open gap at the open. So when the market opens up and it leaves a small gap, I was fading into that small gap and taking that every single time. So it's pretty sweet. So the Lucid Flex account is pretty awesome. All right, market just chopping around here. It's not really doing too much. So we got some zero prints up here at 365, 366, actually up to 368. And so just looking for that in a few micros just to see if it pushes up there and test that. We got gold chopping around doing squats. YM's doing the old fade at the open, just kind of fading lower. NQ is really not doing too much. How you guys doing? Chart Dad in the house. What's up? Yeezus. Got a daily Lucid account on Friday. Oh, let's go. 786 retesting coming, possibly. Just like no volume. G Peralta in the house. What's up? So we will do a giveaway, but don't know how yet. Come on, Nasdaq, do something here. $355 is also fit 50%. Retrace that, makes 3 confluences. Oh, nice. Copy the active. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get up there. Get your ass up there. Get your ass up there. Let's take off one. Take off and, well, I tried to. Oh, come on. Get up there and just take out those 0 prints there. Does NQ do it? Nope. 366.25. We got some zeros up there. Kind of like to add into this instead of taking it off now. All right, I'm getting a little crazy here. Doing some eval playing here. I'm adding into this. We got so close to testing this area right here. I think we push up and test it. 366 to 368. I don't know. Just a hunch. Just a thought. Just an idea. Elias, what do you think about top 1 futures instant ignite? So I did trade with them for a little bit, top 1 when they had Project X, and then I stopped trading with them. Never really got any payouts or anything. I mean, I don't think they're bad. I prefer like Tradeify or Lucid for the straight to funded accounts personally. But just because I'm not really too familiar with them. I believe I am affiliated with them, but I don't actually promote them. Come on, get your butt up there. So that's a nice little move there. I end up adding into this. This whole move was just based off this inside, outside bar. That was it. On the 5-minute. That's all I was looking at. All right. So I ended up adding into this. See if we can take out some. Looking for that 366, 368. That's where we have a little some 0 prints up there. Come on, get up there. Gold's flushing. Hey, what's up, 4 Keeves? Maker. Oh, just a little more. Don't be stupid. There it is. There it is. All right, we got a runner going. We'll leave that runner. Let's go. Jeez, that was a nice move. I wish I would have took that on my TPTs now. Been locked in another $1,000 payout if that was the case. It's so funny, guys. Like, and I'm definitely not taking the Lucid payout for granted. $1,400, you know, on one account. That's a beautiful thing, for sure. But man, when you have 5 take profit trader accounts like this, and I just taking out, you know, trying to make $300, $400, $500, like $200 or $300 times 5 accounts on the take profit traders can really add up. and, you know, taking out $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 a day out of those 5 TPTs, it makes you not even want to trade anything else, really. And then just kind of stacked it. Oof, look at this, guys. Nice little 50-pointer. We were long originally, I think, from 440s area, 445s. So about 40 points, I should say, not 50. Sorry, my math weren't mathing there. Let's see if we take out the high now. We got the 5-minute ORB. We haven't taken out either side. I don't know if we're gonna push up and take out the high or not, but it's a good possibility. And we're just leaving on one micro runner. Currently worth about 50 bucks. So nice little start so far on this 25K Lucid Flex eval. What am I looking for? $650? Is that correct? Is that what we're looking for? What do we need to pass this bad boy? I haven't traded the 25K in a hot minute. Its profit target is 1250, so what, 625. So I need to make 625. Crude wants a gap up. What is that? What is the is this the gap? No, this isn't the right crude. This is a symbol. Oh yeah, gold coming down, filling that gap. It's not a bad play. I might try short a little gold. Short gold. There we go. Come on, fill that gap. Fill the gap. Oh, come on, man. $63. Yeah, right there. That's what I like. Right, somewhere right in there. Boy, as soon as I entered that gold, so short gold, long Nasdaq. As soon as I entered that gold, it dropped, but decided it. Bounce straight back up. When does the 50% off take profit trader end? I don't know the official. It was only supposed to go till last week. So if it's still working, let me see. I think it's still working. Yeah, Take Profit Trader still 50% off. Supposedly it's supposed to end this week or last, so it was only supposed to be a week long. So I don't know the official date, but yeah, currently a 50K account, $85 all in cost. Beautiful thing. All right, come on, gold. Get down there. Some short gold, looking for a 663 and a half. I just want to see this gap get filled down here on the 5 minute. That would be nice. Nasdaq working really well. I think it ends tomorrow, Tony Lanes. Yeah, it could end tomorrow. I don't believe it'll be extended. I think the 3-day pass is going to be here to stay. But as far as the 50% off, I would highly doubt that that's going to stay. Probably going to go back to 40% if I had to guess. But I don't know for sure. Pine, all caps. Appreciate the support. Take Profit Trader. Come on, gold. Do your thing, gold. I think gold takes out that low. It's going to be pretty good. I think we'll get that filled pretty quickly. Hopefully it doesn't pop back up to here to 71s and fill this 5 minute gap and before it rolls back over. Nasdaq pushing up still. There we go. Come on, gold. Take out that low here. Just take my TP, 63.6, 63.5. All right, do it. Do it for the stream. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on. Unbelievable. Did you guys see that? Missed me by a tick. Gold just missed me by a tick on the micro gold. The minis still have some room to go. The minis, and this still didn't fill the gap, but the minis haven't come close to filling yet. So short gold, long NASDAQ. Elevator downstairs up. Can't believe gold did that. Need a Trump tweet? Yeah. This should go up. NASDAQ? Yeah, I think NASDAQ's gonna... It's bull flagging pretty hard, so I think it should go up through that high. Not a bad spot to add, actually. Potentially, if we get a nice little close on this candle. It's just been focusing on gold here. NASDAQ is just sitting there chilling. Hey, Hassan, what's going on? Hassan. How many TPTs do I have? 5 over the buffer, man. Just been crushing it for the last week. Just 5. Been chilling over the buffer. Come on, gold. Get down there, man. Yeah, 550Ks. All right, is it gonna do it? Give me the loop. So what I'm really looking at here is the gold gap. Right here. From the open. Top of the hour here in just a few minutes. Maybe it'll run it then. Hopefully it runs it just before. Yeah, OMD. Yeah, I mean, really nice week last week with payouts. Right around 7K with the daily payouts. Just copy trading the 5 accounts over the buffer. And so just been looking for like $200-300 times 4, and then taking one account and slinging it around. But I almost screwed it up on Friday. There we go. Boom. Nice little gold trade there. Back to NASDAQ. So currently I have 337 unrealized on this account. And took that gold trade on, speaking of the take profit trader accounts. So I took it on times 5 accounts right there. So 137.50 times 5 for daily payouts, which is, you know, right around a $500 daily payout as we stand. If I try to make another $100, I'll just lock out all those accounts. That'll be a nice $1,000 payout. So that's kind of what I've been doing, trading the micros. And so I just traded those micros down on gold for that gap. So yeah, nice little start. So yeah, so I've been trying to trade the micros once they're over the buffer. So to get over the buffer, I traded minis. I mean, minis and really aggressively, because to me it's just another step that you have to hurdle. So once you get over 2,000, and then you can start taking the daily payouts. So to me, it's like, even though it's a funded account, it's like it doesn't mean anything until I'm over 2K. So once I'm over 2K, I've been really just trying to keep those accounts around longer and just do base hits and just pay myself every day. And I actually have a backup take profit trader account passed that's just sitting there dormant. So that's why you'll see some of my tweets where I was talking about taking those payouts. And show you real quick. Yeah, for example, so what this is just all like strategy that I've been talking about. And so like I hit a few base hit trades, made 268 times the 4, and then by utilizing the lockout button up here, I could lock out those individual accounts. So I locked out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then where I still have a spare eval, I was like, well, let me just push this one around a little bit. So I've been pushing this. I pushed one around to try to see if I can make a little more, because I had a nice little head start, and then ended up getting a $1,480 payout to go on top of these. So that's what I've been doing, is like once I get started. Now Friday was a different ball game. By the way, I can't stand the new kicks. This is all like back when I was a kid in the 90s, and I'm looking for a new pair of shoes, and I'm like, I can't get down with this. I'm sorry, the big chunky, in the colors, I just can't. But this was Friday, so I traded. You can see right here, I tweeted this. I was still trading this account. I was actually down in the trade. I was up, and then I was down. I was up, and I was down, and then I ended up finishing right around $66. But I overtraded like crazy to try to get that to stay green, and that was definitely a mistake. And then I ended up putting out a tweet just talking about how when you have daily payout accounts, let me just read this. One of the toughest mental hurdles with daily payout accounts once you're over the buffer is simply walking away red. I still struggle with it. I actually got away with some sloppy trading today, which was Friday, just because I was sized down in micros. So if I had been trading minis, it would have been toast. It was a massive wake-up call. I reminded myself, just because a prop firm offers daily payouts doesn't mean you have to take them every single day. So I think that's so one of the hardest things to do is walk away red, and then, you know, by forcing green days, which is I pretty much did, it was force a green day, you can end up just, it can become a disaster. So gold came down, filled that gap, and then now it's popping. I could actually see a nice little gold long back up into that, potentially pushing back up to this area, maybe. I don't know. We're just gonna chill with the Nasdaq trade. But yeah, just trying to do the base hit stuff and keeping the accounts. And I've been trading much better because I hate doing evaluations, guys. I hate it. Especially daily payout accounts. So I was telling someone over the weekend how content I feel just having the daily payouts accounts instead of trying to trade longer type of accounts. You know, even Lucid, which is great, but just it's kind of a mental thing. You know, when you can kind of put away a little bit of money every single day. Like even today, like I could take the $500 daily payout. I could do that. My goal is really like $200 times 5, which is $1,000 every day. But if I don't see anything, it's perfectly fine. And like tonight, like I didn't even come close to going red. Didn't put those accounts in jeopardy whatsoever. And I mean, to lock that up in about an hour's worth of work is pretty awesome. And that's what TPT, Take Profit Trader. Now the ultimate goal, and now see, I don't really know. I'm quite happy with just trading the 5 TPTs right now. But my thought was, well, I could take some My Funded Futures, some Lucid, some Tradeify daily payout accounts, and then go ahead and pay myself, or stack them and then pay myself the daily payout ones and stack them, and then just copy trade them all together and try to get those over the buffer, and then copy trade them all together, and just with 1 or 2 micros, maybe even nanos, and then trade even smaller and still be able to get like, say, $1,000 payout or something like that. Let's just say you have 5 daily payout accounts other than Take Profit Trader. So you have 10 accounts, and try to get those up over those buffers, and then just try to make $100 on each account copy trading, and which is doable. Not the easiest, but even if it's $50, that's $500. So just trading 1 micro, like this trade right here, if you caught this one trade with 1 micro, you're up $60 times 10 accounts. Now, like, I know this is not like financial advice and it's not easy to do, but with everyone coming out with daily payout type accounts, it is possible to do that. So am I gonna go back to trade with Trade Day? Well, I gotta email him, see if I'm off the bandwagon. So Trade Day, guys, I went live with Trade Day. I was doing the same thing as I did with Take Profit. I'm doing with Take Profit Trader. I had 3 accounts. I would try to make $250 a day on each account. It was right around $600 in my pocket every day. I did that 10 days in a row. It was $6,000. They said that's enough. They threw me in the live account. And so they threw me in the live account with 6K. I took a few payouts out of that. I think I took like $1,500 or so, $1,600 out of Trade Day. And then I tilted one day and ended up blowing the full account. So, and then ever since then, I actually got an email. I got an email saying that I don't fit their program or something like that. So I said, well, okay, well, I said, I'll just wait for it to cool down and then I'll email them back. So I'll email them back, see if I can get out of the cool down and see how that goes. Pine, I've got several pair you can have in my store. Oh, several pair of shoes. Thanks. I need to get a shoe organizer. I'm up to 40 pair. So I'm a big New Balance guy, being from New England. I love New Balance, and then I love the way they fit, my feet, and the comfort. I'm a huge New Balance person. So right now I got a pair of New Balance. I think they're 410s. So I've been like searching for a pair of New Balance, but yeah, I got a pair of New Balance 410s right now in the orange and black. So I'm looking for another pair, but I'm really not liking this year's styles, so I might go with someone else. I got an email from TPT. It was a permanent goodbye. Yeah, that can happen for sure. Are you going after the Lucid dailies then? So I haven't been going after the Lucid dailies. I've actually been thinking about going for the Tradeify dailies because those are end-of-day accounts. So Tradeify is not too bad. I think the payout is $250 too. So I might actually look into reinvesting into some Tradeify accounts this week and see if I can see what I can do in those. All right, caught a nice, beautiful trade here, and now it's just consolidating, so it's nice to be able to catch that move. Looking to see if we take out the high. This is the runner here. Currently up 340 on this account. Up, if you guys are just tuning in, currently up 150 on this account, which locks in a $1,400 payout with Lucid, and then up 137 times 5 on the daily payout accounts, which potentially could lock in a $500 payout. I haven't decided yet. I haven't locked myself out yet. The nice thing is, like, when you decide to lock yourself out, it's permanent. So if I go here, boom, 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 then it's permanent. Then it's like you lock yourself in. And I haven't quite done that yet. I like trading the New York Open with a few micros, so which is a good start. So I'm up 137. It'll be a good start to trade tomorrow morning when I'm on my Penny Futures TV to trade a few micros to see if I can make an extra $100 or so. What have I been trading, Brian? Yeah, everything. Yeah, I can't say what I'm trading on there, but yeah, I've been trading Lucids, take profit traders. I have to put it on private mode, obviously. I know you don't like chunky tools, but a pair of Hokas. Yeah, so a lot of people love those Hokas. The on clouds, I guess, are really comfortable. I have a few pair. I kind of have a. See, I have a few pair that I don't wear much. Some New Balance. They're kind of classics. They're almost getting to be collectors types of shoes, but I don't wear those much. But those, here's the thing I hate when it comes to new shoes is the white soles. I can't stand white soles because living in the country where I do, it's like they get muddy and dirty in one day. So I always like the black type soles, or at least dark colored. I mean, I could always go with the classics. Could always go with the classic New Balance 608s for when I go to Home Depot and start lifting up those barbecue grill tops and looking at lawnmowers on Sunday with the fam. Could always go with those, the classics, the dad shoes, right? Because you know a guy can't walk through Home Depot without lifting those barbecue hoods. It's impossible. It's impossible. Can't do it. It's like a magnet. I just rock my Hey Dudes every day. I'm good. Yeah, let's go. Chart dad in the house, you know. You're walking through, you're like, you might have bought a brand new grill like a month ago, but you still got to look at all the other grills still every single time you walk through Home Depot or Lowe's. That's for sure. All right, gold, little pop up here. Man, I like this. Pop up in the air, fill some of these gaps. Eee. Do I take another gold trade on the funded? Gold, I'm not the best at trading gold. When I see a nice little open gap like that, I feel pretty confident, but yeah, I'm gonna hold off. Brooks, I really wanted to keep for myself, but they were half size too small. Yeah, I know. When you get older too, you can't have your shoes can't be too small. That's for sure. You start getting older, man. Man, I don't know what it is. Your feet start doing some weird, funky stuff. All you feet pick guys are in the and girls. I don't even know. All you feet pick people are probably like, let's see. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. Hey, what's up, Calvin in the house? Digital Nukes. YM full ports. You think so? What's YM up to? Ooh, yeah, YM like looking like it wants to push up through that high. That's them old push mower shoes. Yeah, that's right, Kenny. The grass stains all on it. That's the other thing too. That's why I don't like the white soles, because, you know, I mow the lawn and gets the grass stains all over them. No bueno. It sounds like a pretty good day plan. Yeah, going to the old, yeah, that's right, from old school. Pine the Tank. We got a full day planned out. We're going to the Home Depot. Yo, Jim. Threw those in there. Who shots at Home Depot? Yeah. All right. Let's take a look. I'm watching gold here. Nice little bounce off that pine line on gold. Be interesting to see if gold pushes up into this zone. Nasdaq's doing nothing. It's just chopping around. Stops at break even, risk off trade. Currently up just unrealized 30 points on this bad boy. Took some off on that push up. Filled those zero prints up through there, and then just ripped up through. Currently sitting at unchanged. That's another reason why we're chopping. You see right here, this is from the regular trading hours from Friday. Close price, it's sitting right at unchanged. So right neutral. Gold currently down 16. All right, let's get that little pop up here. Nice little combo trade on the 2 minute. If I was super confident we'd take out this high, this would be a nice spot to add, but I don't know. Try to get this ad and try to make that 625, and then just hit that 50% consistency on this Lucid Flex and be done. I'm just not so sure. I think we do, but I'd like to have seen this low get taken out first. Break up through that 400s. Yeah, I can't wear high top. Too tight on the ankles. Give me knee problems, something. Yeah, I can't either. Oh, yeah, for the feet thing? Yeah, that was funny. Mighty Mouse in the house. What's up? Linda NQ. ES might be a player tonight. Let's take a look at ES real quick. Yeah, ES. What is this? I didn't print this on here. I don't even know what this is. Market depth. I don't want that. Get out of here. Get out of there with that. Ooh, NQ looking like it's going to take out that high. I'm going to get a little aggressive here. I'm going to add into this. Let's see. 3 micros. See if we can take out the high and then head towards that 420. Kind of test that gap up in there. There we go. Get up above that 400. Kind of breaking out of this little bit of a zone on the 5 minute, so that's why I ended up adding to that winning trade. It's a beautiful thing when it works, but I'm gonna try that cloud bot again too. And it's not working. Hey Pine, how's it going? Hope your day's going good. Yeah, we are good. We are solidly green. We locked in a $1,400 Lucid payout. We just locked in potentially another $500 daily payout. And there's the high. And it didn't take me out of anything. Come on. You're just going to sweep the high and go down? All right, I'm out of 2. I got 2 left on. Wait, did NQ take out the high or what? No, it didn't. Okay. NQ did not take out the high. So I want to add into this more. I might go red on this trade, but don't get alarmed. Everything will be fine. Everything is just fine. I think NQ should take out that 410. I'm gonna add him back into this. Trying to make 625. So another $200 should be nice. Right around 420 would give it what I need, I think. Something like that. Gotta get rid of all these ads. Here we go. Come on, Nasdaq, take out that high now. So we've been long since this outside inside, or the inside inside outside bar combo on the 5 minutes. So basically long since 340s, and then I've been adding and taking some off all the way up. So nice little move here. We'll take it. Hey, what's up, Spaces in the house? How's everyone else doing tonight? You guys doing all right? Still kicking? Yeah, for some reason the giveaway button's not working, but we're gonna do something. Get that giveaway. I don't know what we're gonna do, but random number generator, I guess. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the random number generator, and then probably we'll do that pretty soon. Get your ass up there. All right, take out that high and test that 420. Maybe we get a little squeeze if we breach that high. So I'm gonna be watching for that. Right now, double top. Went to the movies over the weekend. I saw the movie Tony about Anthony Bourdain. I would say that it wasn't a bad movie, but my review is it wasn't bad, but would I watch it again? The answer is no. I would not watch it again. It's not something I would watch if it came on Netflix or something. But you know, something to do. It was fun. Got my popcorn. And got my popcorn, snuck in the candy, of course. You can't pay $8 for candy. I mean, that's just ridiculous. You get the same candies at the dollar store. The $1.25 store, I should say. But the popcorn, when in Rome, you got to get the popcorn. How is Stavi in it? Funny. Yeah, Stavi is the best. Yeah, Stavros, he's the best. Yeah, it was funny. They're eating the hot dogs, they're eating the catfish. Rock, paper, scissors tournament. Fremont. Yeah, it kind of sucks. All right, take out the high here. There we go. Come on. So close. So close. Yeah, that's pretty close. 609. So we need 625. Yeah, that's pretty close. $602. What am I looking for? 20, like $20. Yeah, beautiful long there, based off the 5-minute combo trade, which paid nicely. So nice inside, outside combination on the 5. Ended up hopping in long right around that 40s. Let's take a look. So hopped in long right up in here in the 40s. Took some off there. Took some off there. Added some more. Left a runner. Ended up adding some more once we broke out of this consolidation. Pushed up through the high. Nice little bull flag break. You can see through here. It's nice when a plan works out, right? It doesn't always. But it's kind of a bull flag, you know? Up through there, ended up adding in through that high. I could make another $25, which I probably will, but try to. And get it 50% past. It's one of those spots where I just like I ended up putting one on here again, just see if I get the extra $1 or a few dollars and end up losing a little bit, but I don't know. Now it's made the move. It's questionable if we get a little pullback, but look at that nice. Wow, that was a nice nice little V bottom there. Ad Scalper, what's up? Forex Elite just bagged $800 on that one. Nice. I've tried restarting Streamlabs. Can I do that while I'm streaming? I don't know if I can do it when I'm streaming, can I? They probably shut it down. That is supposed to work without restart, for restart without killing your stream. Okay. Bobby Dick says it'll cut the stream. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna do the random number thing. Just do the random number, and if I have more than one person in the random number, then we'll do the race. So we'll do that pretty soon here. Never tried myself. Yeah, I would think it would cut the stream, but I don't know. If it's a scheduled stream, it will go black until it reloads. Oh, yeah, it's not a scheduled stream. Adam Baker, I've never figured out how to do the scheduled stream. That's why you'll see all these other streamers that have the scheduled streams always up. I never could figure out how to do that and never took the time to actually learn how to do it. So I've never done it. I just go on. I'm just like, yep, I'm going on. Yep. Fremont's 1. Yeah, we'll start that pretty soon. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch another 25 bucks. It's tempted to try to short, try to get a little scalp down, but I don't know. I have a feeling we might try to run this wick up here. Bottom of the hour here. Ooh, we just tried to run it. Did we run it on the... Ooh, not really. I'm gonna try a long here. Oh, yep. Get out. There we go. It's almost like I moved the market there. I got my points. 623.70. That's close enough. With Lucid, they do have a little bit of grace, so that's a nice little grace. That'll be fine. If I make another 625 or so tomorrow. Wow, that was so quick. You guys see that? I mean, I hopped in that long right here. 427.50, popped right up through that high, 438.75. I'm glad that went in my direction. Pine starting stream is analog only. Yes, I have to dial in on my internet. So I pull up the old dial-up internet, get that fired up, and then I start my stream for sure. Guys, thanks for being here tonight. Appreciate everyone hanging out here on a Sunday night. Not bad price action. I mean, overall, Globex has been absolutely crap, but not too bad tonight. I mean, it could be worse. And we're up quite handsomely. Nice little, some payouts locked in tonight, which is a nice thing. And then we're heavily green. So 623, 150, and we've been trading pretty small too. And then 137 times 5. So we'll take that. You know, if I think about it in my head, I go, well, if I take the $500 daily payout from Take Profit Trader, take out the $1,400 out of Lucid, it's a nice $2,000 daily payout or payout today. So maybe I should just take the 500, take profit. I mean, that's a pretty nice day in my book. Plus my MyFunded Futures salary. I mean, that's like $3 million a year. 2,000 plus the thousands of dollars they pay me on every day to stream on MyFunded Futures TV, which will be going on every single day tomorrow. Starting again tomorrow, I'll be on MyFunded Futures TV from 9 to 10:30 every single morning. No, I wish. I wish, Miss K. They do not. They do not. I've been seeing some rumors on online about what we get paid. It's quite comical. I'm like, I wish. It's very good though. I'm very, very happy. It's worth my time. I'll say that. It's worth my time, and definitely helps this channel out too, because we get a lot of people that see me over there on My Funded Futures, and then they come over here, and then vice versa. I get people that see me, that see this channel, and then they come over and tune into MFTV every morning. So it's I'm very, very happy. It's a grind for sure. It's a grind, but can't beat it. All right. So locked in this. No need to trade. Am I calculating this right? What do I have to make? 1250? Yeah. So let's lock out this. Lock it up. Now, NASDAQ, what are you doing? So we ran, whoa, we got this wick, untested wick up here at 455s. So we got 455s up here. We could push up and test that. Nate, thank you so much. Yeah, I think we got a good cast going on. I think it's good. I think it's fun. I think it's entertaining. Good traders, good talk, good psychology stuff. You got traders from all different backgrounds, so I like it. I have fun doing it. I'm glad that I'm streaming with the people I am. So, for sure. Hey, what's up, PNY? Just set up your daily profit target for evals. That saves my ass all the time. Yeah, I usually do that. I usually set that up on the risk settings. So if you guys don't know, you can set up your, if you're looking for risk settings, you just go to the top right here, click on that with Tradeovate, and let's just say you only want to make your consistency mark. So you just go to daily profit trigger and then just type in, 625 or whatever you want it to be. And then theoretically it'll shut off. It'll take you out of the position when you hit that. There can be a little bit of lag, but it does work pretty well. And that way you don't have to do it manually. So yeah, good little tip there. Thanks. Helpful for being so helpful. I like it even more that the silly lunch segment is gone. Yeah, they've cut the show down, which is nice. It's kind of streamlined. I enjoy it. I'm usually tuning in after as well, so I get off stream. And then the other thing is that it doesn't really mess with my life. That's the most important thing for me is My Funded Futures TV. It doesn't. The schedule from 9 to 10:30 it doesn't affect my life at all. So when I'm streaming, I'm at that time of day, I'm usually trading anyway. I've been doing that since 2021 at that time in the morning from 9 to 10:30. So it doesn't affect me at all. And so I basically just stand here and then trade and hang out on that stream and do the show. And then when it's done, then I go about what I'm doing. Usually I'll trade a little bit more, maybe like a half hour to an hour, depending on where I'm at with my accounts. And then I wrap it up right around 10:30, 11, right around, not 10:30, but right around 11:30. And then I'll go to the gym and go to lunch, all that good stuff. Take a nap and then come back for the nighttime shift, the code pine shift, and then yeah, do it. So yeah, so I'm wondering if NASDAQ pushes up through this area up here. We'll see. All right, guys, you guys want to do a giveaway? Let me think about how to do this here. So here's what I'm gonna do. Can you say if I get paid $2,000 per month? Yes or no? Yeah, it's more. So there's a rumor saying that we get paid $2,000 per day. A lot of people get paid that when they go on these prop firm talk shows, but that is not the case for me. But I'm very happy. So let's let me think about this. I've never done this before. I would usually do the races where we would just do the race and through CloudBot and be all good, but tonight we can't do that. So we have 182 watching, so let's do 1 to 200. So pick a number between, let me see, I'm gonna go pick a number between 1 and 200. Go. And I'm gonna give it like, and please only pick one number. And if we have any, and if whoever wins, if it's multiple numbers, then I'm gonna race them off. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 15 seconds. So as soon as this says 20, I'm stopping it. I'm gonna type in stop. Stop. All right, so we got it in there. So now I'm gonna go random number generator. 1 to 200, and let's hit it. 191. 191. This is for a 50K Lucid Pro. I'm not seeing any 191s. No 191s. Nobody has 191. All right, I'm gonna go again. Ready? 1 to 200. Go. Go ahead and punch it in again. Go. As soon as this hits 42, I'm stopping it. Punch in one number. One number. If I see you put in two numbers, you're disqualified. Stop. Let's do it again. 49. Some 42s up in there. $49. Oh, we got one. Candlestick Cowboy. Let's go. Anyone else with 49? Not seeing anyone. No, I got it. That's Candlestick Cowboy. Congratulations. Yeah, Candlestick Cowboy, congrats. Yes, let's go. Well, that worked out just fine. Candlestick Cowboy, are you on the Discord by chance? If anyone wants to join the Discord, it's completely free. Here is the Discord link. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. Just don't be a douche, and we're good. But feel free to chat after hours. It's Pine Tree After Hours. Yeah, so if I can hit you up on Discord, Candlestick Cowboy, that'll make things a little bit easier. I can just DM you. Whatever your Discord handle is, just let me know in the chat now. And then, yeah, sure, no problem. And I'll get you that Lucid code. Guys, I think that's going to do it for me pretty much. I'm going to hang out here just for a few more minutes, but thank you guys. I couldn't get the cloud bot to work. Hopefully it'll work tomorrow. We will do another giveaway tomorrow. I plan on doing giveaways every single day this week. Thanks to you guys for using code PINE on Lucid. They gave me some accounts. They gave me some pro accounts. So appreciate that. Thank you, Hitman, for joining the Discord. And who else? Is your name Hitman, Candlestick Cowboy? Ooh, getting a little volatility there. So beautiful night of trading. We caught some very, very nice trades. I'm very happy with the way things are going tonight to get started on for the week. It's always good to start the week with some payouts. Was that what's your Discord name, Candlestick Cowboy? I saw Hitman just joined, but just want to make sure it's you instead of a scammer or schemer. Believe it or not, it happens. Same name, Candlestick Cowboy. Okay. Hasn't quite come through yet, but I'm sure it will. Just hit me up on the DMs, Candlestick Cowboy. Just hit me up, and I'll get you taken care of for sure. Yeah, believe it or not, if I put in my email, usually, now most of the time you guys are great, but sometimes if I say, well, yeah, email this, and then, you know, so you're the, you know, I can't speak. Have the winner email me, and then I'll get like 2 emails by someone's claiming to be the winner, which is just crazy. Guys, I want everyone to have an amazing week. I think we're going to take out that high. I think we're going to push up. Take out this wick here. I'm nervous though. 450, 550. All right, guys. Anyways, what I was saying is that let's have an amazing week. Appreciate the support. Thank you for using code PINE with all the top prop firms. Remember, if you are on My Funded Futures Club, the My Funded Futures Club, you don't have to use the house code. You can still use your favorite affiliate code. I prefer if you use code PINE, but I just want to make that PSA out there. You don't have to use code club to get the points. You can use your favorite affiliate code to help support their channels and keep it rolling. So Apex, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Pine with a capital P, and Bulenox, code Pine, Take Profit Trader. Don't know when the 50% is gonna how long it's gonna last, but it's supposedly only was supposed to be 1 week, and that week is ending. So thank you for the support, and we will do more giveaways tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. on My Funded Futures TV. Peace, guys. Thank you. I'm out. Thank you, Nate. Appreciate that.
Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action. We talking freedom.
Later.
From the
Bye.
chart to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar hold, outside bar go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.